Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Prathima Nagesh, MD, Ayurveda physician near London, Director Agni Healthcare, Senior Lecturer College of Ayurveda UK, Academic Director Ahimsa Center, France. I will be sharing my experience helping to restore the well-being after long COVID, the Ayurveda way. During this talk, I will be sharing some clinical experiences, some clinical case studies, and some tips how to reduce these symptoms. Please join me on Love Ayurveda TV on April 18th, 3:30 British Standard Time. Yes, it is Sunday, the April 18th. See you later.